Greeting card.
Sa daddy niyo. So, padadala nila.
Opo.
Hopefully.
Kilala niyo ba lahat, mga daddy ninyo? Do you all know your fathers?
Oh, yeah.
Like, you're close with them? Hindi kayo close?
Ikaw, hindi.
Hindi.
Pero ang daddy mo, nakikita mo pa.
Hindi po. I didn't see him for 7 years now.
7 years.
Opo.
And how old are you now? 16.
Magkakaway kayo?
Nag-divorce na ni Mami. So, hindi ko nakita si Daddy.
Hindi mo hinahanap?
Hindi po. Hindi po pala. Kasi sa Philippines po ako, tapos nasa Korea po siya. So, mahirap po.
Oo nga. Kung meron kang gusto sabihin sa daddy mo, ano gusto mong sabihin?
I miss you. Yan.
Why not?
Sarap pakinggan, ano?
Right.
Sinabi mo sa akin.
Hindi lang nagkikita rin.
Okay.
Kami, more than 10 years kami hindi nagkita.
What?
13 years.
Ano siya, 10 years old nung nagpunta ako ng Amerika. Tapos, nung tinawagan niya ako, 2005. So, ano na siya, 20 na siya noon. Tapos, gusto na niya ako makita. Kasi meron na siyang, meron na siyang sarili niyang kilos. Katulad mo, meron na sariling kilos, marunong ka nang mag-dial ng telepono, marunong ka nang mag-search sa Google, marunong ka nang marami, di ba?
So, hinanap ko siya.
Mahahanap mo daddy mo. Kung gusto mo, punta akong Korea, hanapin ko ang daddy mo. Daling ko siya dito. Hindi mo sa kanya address.
Superman!
Hindi. Meron kasi kaming ginawa dun sa TV show niya. Meron siya ng show eh. Ngayon, ano? Meron akong in-announce. Kasi meron lumapit sa akin, sabi, Kuya Gab, nakaka-relate ako sa movie niyo because I haven't seen my father for many, many years. I think he was 3 years old. So, in-announce ko sa TV, sabi ko, what is your name? Robin. And then, what is your father's name? Marlon. So, I said, okay, I will announce in TV and ask if there is anybody out there looking for Robin because Robin's looking for you, Mr. Marlon Ocampo. And here's my email address. So, I gave my email address and he wrote back. He emailed me back, the father, and said, yes, I have a son. His name is Robin. And I'm looking for him. He might be the same person. He gave his telephone number, gave it to Robin, and they spoke to each other. True enough, he was the long-lost father. He was the long-lost son. So they met each other and, you know, they're together. So who among you guys have not seen their father, aside from you, for many years?
Ano lang, I see my dad, but not always, like, once a month.
Once a month?
Or, yeah.
Meron kang hinakit sa daddy mo?